During the April 21st plenary session on socio-economic issue, National Assembly deputies discussed the progress of national gender equality goals. While acknowledging achievements, they identified systematic challenges, from data and policies to societal awareness, and proposed solutions to promote the true gender equality.
Although significant progress has been made, deputies highlighted ongoing issues, such as a sharp rise in gender inequality violations in 2025. They called for stronger, more comprehensive measures.
I propose making gender equality budgeting a special focus for audits and inspection in 2026, ensuring accountability for localities and leaders who fail to allocate necessary funds.
Solutions should focus on grassroots levels, addressing structural causes of inequality, such as fostering female leadership roles to reduce unpaid caregiving burdens and changing gender biases in families and communities. This will enable women to participate more fully in economic, political, and social life.
Deputies also emphasized that gender inequality remains prevalent in employment, income, and leadership opportunities. Traditional biases continue to limit women's development, especially in remote areas. Moving forward, gender equality should be viewed as both a social goal and as a key indicator of development, quality, and fairness in policy.